In today's 5-minute bioinformatics tutorial, I'll show you how to perform protein structure homology modeling using the Swiss model platform, updated for 2026, in a simple, step-by-step guide. While our previous video covered protein structure prediction using AlphaFold 3, today we'll look at a reliable homology-based alternative using Swiss model. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Before we start modeling proteins in Swiss model, you'll need to create a free account. This will allow you to save your projects, track results, and access all features. Let's start. Once you're logged in, you can choose between two options: searching for an existing template or building a model from scratch. Now, take your protein's primary sequence, copy it, and paste it directly into the input box. Start a new project and enter your title. Then, click the Search for Template tab to begin finding the best template for your protein sequence. The template search may take 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your sequence and server load, so be patient while Swiss model finds the best matches. After the search finishes, pick one or a few templates to generate your protein model. Click the Build Models tab. The modeling process will take about 10 minutes to complete, so let the system run while it builds your protein structure. And here are your generated models. Click to explore the 3D structures and see the details. You can also check which template was used for each model and download the PDB files for further analysis. Next, go to the Structure Assessment tab to quickly check your model's quality and accuracy. Here, you can also find detailed information like the Ramachandran plot, which helps assess the stereochemical quality of your protein model. You can also download the PDB file of your model here for further analysis or visualization in other software. Now, let's perform the modeling using the direct build approach, which creates a protein model directly from your sequence without searching for a template. Again, this process will take some time to complete, so please be patient while Swiss model builds your protein model. You can check your results in the My Workspace tab, where all your completed models are saved. Similarly, you can download the templates in your model in PDB format, and evaluate the model quality using the provided assessment tools. You can revisit your data anytime on the main page under the My Workspace tab. Keep in mind, the data is stored on the platform only for a short time and will be automatically deleted, so be sure to download your results. We sincerely acknowledge the institutions and agencies behind this platform, and we've included scientific citations for your reference and further reading. For a deeper understanding, don't forget to check out the YouTube link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.